नाउ गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। ठीक है।
Good morning, my dear student. So today is your maths class, chapter number 4. That is long and short. In that class, we are going to learn what is long and what is short.
ओके
I will show you something. This is a light stick. It is long or short. We measured after we get another stick. Okay, I will show you another stick. This is another stick that is long or short. So if we compare this object and this object, this one is long and this one is short. So we observe all the object as per their comparison. Okay, I will show you another thing. I will show you another object. You see, there is a roof. If I measure this roof with my hand like this, same way you also measure this roof by your hand. Maybe your hand gets longer or shorter. It depends on you. If your mother measuring this rope, if your father measuring this rope, and if you measuring this rope, everybody's measurement is different. So I have like 2 meters of rope. So everyone measured this rope by their hands as they long or maybe a short. Okay, I will show you another thing. I have 2 pencils. This one is new one and this one is old one. So which one is longer and which one is shorter? So you understand, this one is longer, this one is shorter. Same way we have many examples to show you which one is longer and which one is shorter. So it's after to measure the distance. It is long or short. So first of all, in their classes, we get the instrument of mathematics like scale. That help us to measure their distance, how much is long or short. Okay. Now we are going to tell you measurement, how we measure the thing in your chapter. There is a measurement of like a roof. This is the point and we measured from here to here. This is a line and this is another line. I think you understood which line is longer and which line is shorter. Everybody is, I think, knows. If we measure the lines, I suppose this is a 30 centimeter and this is a 40 centimeter. So line measuring by their centimeter. Centimeter is what? It is the unit. यूनिट है, सेंटीमीटर क्या है हमारा? यूनिट है. उसी तरह हम कुछ और अगर अधिक लंबी या कोई अधिक लॉन्ग चीजें हम मेजर करना है तो उसके लिए हम यूनिट क्या यूज करते हैं? मीटर. यूनिट इज मीटर. सेम वे जब हम किसी ट्रैवलिंग में हैं और हम कहीं सफर कर रहे हैं देन हम यूनिट क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? इस किलोमीटर. इस तरह से हम कोई भी जो थिंग्स है या फिर वस्तु है या फिर कोई भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, वो हम इस तरह से लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट मेजर कर पाते हैं. चलिए, आई विल टेल यू सम अनदर एग्जांपल्स which helps you to understand what is long and what is short. एक मैन है और एक यहाँ पर बर्ड है. अब दोनों के बीच बात होती है कि आप कितने स्टेप्स कवर कर सकते हो और आप कितने कवर कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ पर एक पेड़ है और यहाँ पर एक वेल है. यहाँ वेल है. अब दोनों की बात होती है कि हम यहाँ से यहाँ तक हमें कवर करना है और हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स यू टेक टू कवर फ्रॉम टी टू वेल. बॉय स्टार्टेड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 स्टेप में बॉय कवर्ड द फ्रॉम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम here to here. Then said that how much distance is this? So at that time we need to measure the distance in a unit. So maybe this measurement is from here to here is 2 meter, or maybe a shorter distance, so it is a 30 or 40 centimeter. So depends on the distance. Let's take another example. We have a tree and we have some object which help us to reach the upper level of tree. I have one pot, another pot on the floor, another pot on the floor, another pot on the floor. Now reach up to the tree. So how many pots are required to reach that place? There are 4 pots are required. If one pot is 15 centimeter, then 15, 15, 15 and 15. So 15, 15, 30, 45, 60. It means that covers a 60 centimeter. If I have another pot, in that distance covered, the 2 pots, same, the measurement is one pot is 30 centimeter, another pot is 30 centimeter. So distance is the same. So 60 centimeter from this level to this to here this, and to this to here this. So I think you understood what is long and what is short. I will give you some another examples. I have two leaves. That helps you to understand which leaves is shorter, which leaves is longer. Like mango leaves. And another leaves is papaya. So you easily observe that which leaves is longer. Obviously, papaya leaves is longer than the mango leaves. I think you all understood what is long and what is short. Let's take some questions which helps you to solve your problem. A question is, a man asked to a lady for his hand. A man asked to a lady for his hand for measurement. Is if I made a hand a man, woman. So you easily observe that whose hand is longer than lady or lady is longer than man's. If I measure this, a finger from here to here, that shows 5 centimeter. I measured the lady's finger, that measured 6 centimeter. So it doesn't matter कि a man's hand is longer or lady's hand is longer. Everybody's hands are different size. So if I measured my finger from here to here, my finger is along 7.5 centimeter. So maybe you check your finger, your friend's finger, and measure your parent's finger. So whose finger is longer and whose finger is shorter. Okay, now we measured another things. Like a man and standing behind the floor. A man is standing there and to measure their everything in his body. Measurement of nose, measurement of lips, measurement of neck, and measurement of hand, and another measurement of chest, and another measurement of stomach size, and measurement of their legs, and measurement of their foot. So many things around our body we measure and compare with their parents and with their friends and with their brother and sister, whose nose is longer and whose nose is shorter, whose lips is longer, whose lips is shorter. So we have many body's parts which help us to understood the how what is long and what is short. So I think understood, student. So can we go ahead? Okay. Okay, now we discuss about some questions which help us to understood what is long, what is short at your home. First is table, door, window, pencil, pen, plant cloths cloth size and school bag, lunch box, shoes lace, jumping roof. So all these things you measured at your home, and it helps you definitely to learn what is long and what is short. Long and short. We will discuss another things, how to solve the measurement in another class. Okay, thank you student. Bye.